Although every dairy has a different milking routine, each task of every routine has a purpose. And regardless of what dairy you work at, the goal of the milking routine is to make sure cows are well stimulated and teats are clean and dry before attaching the unit. First things first, you need to wear gloves whenever you're milking cows. This isn't just because gloves protect cows from the bacteria found on your hands. Gloves also protect your hands from the bacteria found on the cows. There's really just one reason we need to apply pre-dip, and that's to disinfect each teat completely. Whether you use a dipper, a sprayer, or a foamer to apply pre-dip, the objective remains the same: to kill the live bacteria that are on the cow's teats. You can probably imagine that if you don't cover the teat completely, live bacteria will remain on the part where you didn't apply dip. So let's say you apply pre-dip, and then you or someone else removes it in less than 30 seconds. It didn't work. In fact, it's a waste of money if you don't give the pre-dip enough time to do its job. It's amazing how much faster cows milk out when you spend just a couple more seconds stripping each cow. I always ask milkers to strip 3 strips of milk from each quarter. Not just strip each teat 3 times, but actually remove 3 strips of milk from each teat. And why is wiping so important? With this task, not only are you cleaning each cow, you're also helping to stimulate her. The idea is to do a better job of using a clean part of the towel to wipe each teat. But what are you really doing when you pull the towel from the top of the teat down to the bottom? Instead of completely removing bacteria from the teat, you're actually moving it closer to the opening on the teat end. And that's precisely where bacteria get into the udder. How clean are the units that you're going to attach? Here's the thing. You just put a lot of effort into getting each cow ready to be milked. If you attach dirty units to clean teats, you just did all that work for nothing. Make sure that the teat cup doesn't suck air as you're attaching it. Not only does this affect the vacuum pressure of the other units and irritate the udder, it's also how bacteria get sucked into the teat cup and have a chance of getting in the teat end while the cow's being milked. After each cow is finished milking, teats still have a thin film of milk on them. It's really important that you cover each teat completely with post-dip to protect them from bacteria as cows walk back to their pens and lie down in their stalls. The detail to remember is this: everyone depends on you and your coworkers to follow the same routine at every milking on every day. Healthy cows and quality milk start with you.